This is groundbreaking. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? I feel like, Tiana and I have been stamping for so long that when we stumble upon a new stamping technique, it feels like a really big deal because I've been working with Maniology for 10 years and I've been in nail tech for like over 10 years. So this was going to be the highlight of the month. Stamping accomplishment of the month. Possibly of the year. We will see. No way. What? Yay, everybody. Okay, so look at this. Not perfect, but I cannot believe that. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I wish you guys were here with me in the comments. I wish we could talk about how excited we are for all of this.